I'm going to bring up a special guest that hasn't been on before. Her name is Faith, known as Queen Wiki. All right, I'm excited because I personally known her for about 5-6 years myself. So basically, Faith has started off in management consulting and senior engineer focusing on the .com space. She got into network marketing and never looked back. Through the good, the bad, the ugly, she's been in network marketing for 30 plus years. She's a mother of a daughter of one, a best friend with her mother and father. In her last deal, she has grown teams to over 67,000 in a short 7 months, right? She's the top earner out of 400,000 global members. And I love this. Her challenges are her adrenaline juice. I love that. Faith, are you there? Unmute yourself.
Yes, I am. Yes, I am.
I'm so excited that you're partnered with Twin Turbo TRX with us. Go ahead and tell everybody what you're excited about us.
Well, I tell you, I've been looking at you guys, and I haven't really got the opportunity to look at the complete presentation. As a matter of fact, this is my first time, and I like to commend Eric, who did a wonderful job of presenting it. And I took kind of a look at it, and I said, wow, everyone wants a passive component. But I'm an advocate of getting the weight. So we've got the passive component. We've got a short matrix. It's a 1x3 chuck, $40 minimum. I said, who won't be able to get into this deal and become successful? My whole thing is this. If you want to sit down and wait for airdrops and go into the group asking win Lambo, you want to say win my airdrop, you're in the wrong place. You need to be taking control of your life and say, I'm going to be different in 2021. You're going to go, you're going to find 3 people, get 3 out of billions of people, 3 people. And I tell you, don't be shy. Recommend that they go up to the $1,000 level. They may deny you, but they may come in at $500. And so the sky is the limit. And I tell you, I'm ready to rock and roll. I really just started today. And I'm ready to rock and roll. I see the potential. I'm a technologist. I noticed that the blockchain available is not lagging, all of these great things. And also Brandon Ivy, been knowing him for a while. I've been following your things. You talk about NFTs now, you talk about non-fungible tokens. I know this man knows his stuff, and I am going to be in all of his classes, all of his courses, and I highly recommend that everyone else does. And the products are stellar. First I thought they were going to be some washed out ebooks or something. Took a look at what you guys had here. I'm pumped. I'm ready. I'm going to do this. I'm going to blow this baby up with the help of people. And those people I brought to this call, you guys going to have to get to work. I don't slack. You're going to lock elbows with me. We're going to run hard and fast. I'd like to say thank you to all of you and what you put together. I'm really, really excited and looking forward to what you have.